welcome back to Cruise Travel Life, and today we are giving you our top tips for Odyssey of the Seas. Let's jump right into our first tip. But before we jump in, make sure you check out our previous two top tips videos about the Odyssey of the Seas and Perfect Day at Cocoa Key. Those are two top tips videos you do not want to miss. Now let's jump into our top tips for Odyssey of the Seas. Book your entertainment shows ahead of time. Now there's only one show currently on Odyssey of the Seas you can book ahead of time, and it's The Book in 270. It's a great show. You do not want to miss it, but make sure you do the reservations ahead of time. They do fill up. It's 30 or 45 days. I'll put it right here in editing. When you can book up, it pops up in your pre-cruise planner. Just under the entertainment option, you go in, pick your day, pick your time. It's completely free to reserve your shows, and make sure you reserve the book ahead of time. Our next tip is to do the North Star Extended. While it is about $20 as of the filming of this video, it is a great experience as you get to go out over the ocean on a sea day, and you just get to see some different perspectives of the ship. You get those classic aerial shots that you can make yourself more Instagram famous by posting shots of you outside the ship. So make sure you book the North Star Extended. It is worth the $20 per person that it is to do it. And it's only available on sea days. On port days is the standard option where you just go up and you just pivot just a tiny bit, but the extended takes you all the way out over the side of the ship. So make sure you do the North Star. Our next tip is to do bumper cars at the beginning of the session. Now, on our 6-night Odyssey of the Sea sailing, I think there was 3 sessions. And the earlier in the sailing you do your bumper cars and the beginning of the session is the better. Because towards the end of the cruise, people have heard about it, forgot to do it, and especially towards the end of the sessions when people may be looking for something to do and they're just finding out that there are bumper cars on the ship. So make sure you do bumper cars towards the beginning of the sailing and towards the beginning of the session. Our next tip is to eat at Cafe 270. It is a hidden gem that is back near 270. It's a great grab-and-go option. It's very similar to the Park Cafe on the Oasis class ships. They have sandwiches. It's also a great breakfast spot because they have oatmeal, all that kind of fun stuff, breakfast sandwiches. They also have a coffee bar in there. So if you have a drink package or you just want to buy a specialty coffee, Cafe 270 is a great spot for that, especially at the beginning of the cruise when people haven't quite found out about that spot yet. Our next tip is to visit the Solarium Bridge Wings. Now, I actually put a clip of this in our Grand Cayman video. Let's check out how to get to these bridge wings without going through the solarium.
So you come down the corridor, 13 both sides. I checked both of them. Solarium, head up. There's this massive fire door that looks like you shouldn't open it, but you can. It looks scarier on the other side because it's like emergency exit, but yeah, solarium.
It's a great way to get another vantage point of the ship. You can look straight down at you're right above the bridge. It's an awesome opportunity to look at your ship. It's also a great spot at night. It's also really windy, so make sure you don't have a hat on when you walk out there because it may be the ocean. Our next tip, talking about the Solarium. Solarium Bistro is a hidden gem. You do not want to miss Solarium Bistro. Towards the beginning of the cruise, not many people know about it, but it's a very quiet option that is included, and it's like a mini windjammer. Great option for breakfast, lunch, and they also have a sit-down dinner in there. Do not miss Solarium Bistro. It is a great option. Less crowded. Kids are allowed to eat there, even though it is in the solarium. Kids of all ages are allowed to eat there. So it's a great option to bring your whole family in there and eat a nice quiet breakfast or lunch. Our last tip is the music hall is a great place to just sit and relax. I found this out towards the end of the cruise. That music hall does not always have music going on in there. When there's no music, it's a great place. They're usually playing just the normal ship music around. Sit in there, relax, take a break, maybe figure out what you're going to do next. In the music hall, also the bar may be open too. So upstairs there's a bar. You may want to visit that and get a drink in there. There's nothing in there. It's usually quiet. Even when there is music playing in there, it's usually also a quiet option. If you're waiting for a show in the theater, instead of having the waiters, you can walk right out to the music hall and get a drink in the bar. Usually not as long of a wait as it is for the waiters to go get it at the bar. That is all for our Odyssey of the Seas top tips. Like I said earlier, make sure you check out our previous 2 top tips videos. They'll be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this Cruise Travel Life video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever we upload a brand new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.